Welcome to Wheel and Thrill, where we explore the best rides hitting the streets. Today, we're talking about a game-changer and the compact SUV segment, the Tata Punch. This car has made waves in the Indian market with its impressive blend of style, practicality, and affordability, making it a top contender for those looking for a budget-friendly vehicle with SUV appeal. Under the hood, the Tata Punch is powered by 1.2-liter Revotron petrol engine, producing 86 PS of power and 113 Newton-meters of torque. It offers a choice between a 5-speed manual transmission and an AMT, making it flexible for both manual enthusiasts and those who prefer the ease of an automatic. The engine performance is tuned to deliver a peppy driving experience in urban conditions while maintaining good fuel efficiency, which is crucial for daily commuters. The exterior design of the Tata Punch is one of its standout features. Tata has taken cues from its Impact 2.0 design language, which gives the Punch a bold and confident look. It boasts sharp LED DRLs, projector headlamps, and a muscular front grille that showcases its SUV DNA. The high ground clearance of 187mm adds to its rugged character, allowing it to handle rough roads and speed bumps without a hitch. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious cabin that defies its compact size. The Tata Punch features a dual-tone interior with premium finishes and ample headroom and legroom, ensuring comfort for all passengers. The car comes equipped with a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, supporting Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, keeping you connected and entertained on the go. Other notable features include automatic climate control, steering-mounted controls, and a semi-digital instrument cluster that provides all the essential driving information at a glance. Safety has always been a priority for Tata Motors, and the Punch is no exception. It has been awarded a 5-star safety rating by Global NCAP, making it one of the safest cars in its segment. The car comes with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, cornering stability control, and a reinforced body structure designed to absorb impacts effectively. The Punch also offers additional safety features like rear parking sensors and ISOFIX child seat anchors, ensuring peace of mind for families. For those who love a bit of adventure, the Tata Punch offers drive modes to adapt to different terrains. The car's design and engineering allow it to tackle light off-roading, making it perfect for weekend getaways and unpaved trails. This versatility, combined with its compact dimensions, makes the Punch ideal for navigating narrow city streets and parking in tight spots. The Tata Punch delivers on fuel efficiency, too, with an average mileage of around 18 to 20 km/L, depending on driving conditions. This means you can enjoy longer drives without constantly worrying about refueling. Plus, the car's build quality and reliability ensure minimal maintenance, which adds to its budget-friendly appeal. Overall, the Tata Punch brings together a unique combination of style, practicality, and safety, wrapped in a compact SUV form. Whether you're a young professional, a family looking for an affordable yet feature-rich car, or someone who loves the look and feel of an SUV without the hefty price tag, the Tata Punch has something to offer. It's a vehicle that redefines what you can expect from a compact car, delivering more than just a means of transport. It's a statement on the road. Thanks for tuning into Wheel and Thrill. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and updates on the most exciting cars and bikes in the market. Ride safe and stay thrilled.